Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with MrWaheedulHaque. We have a new addition to the family. Most Go G Audi A5. What do you think, MrWaheedulHaque?
Hard. Got a few work. Got a bit of work to do.
Yeah, it's a 2008 model, 1.8 petrol.
1.8 is 2 litre.
2 litre?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, they don't do 2 litre in this one, brother.
They do.
Huh?
Yeah.
No, they don't.
They do, mine's 2
In the
litre.
newer one, brother.
No, it's in these.
Don't lie to me, brother. Okay. Oh wait, you got a bit of concentration in this one. A bit of concentration, condensation. Alright guys, what the fuck is that? Alright guys. So 1.8 litre, 184 horsepower. 184, 90, 190. And then if you get stage 1, it's about 200 and something. So apparently it has stage 1, so we don't know. We can't verify it.
Yeah, we haven't done a dyno.
So we're going to put it on a dyno. He's gave us the papers and everything, but you still can't believe it, you know. You have to test it yourself and find out. Because he could have just made that himself, you know. It's just a graph. So yeah, it is stage 1 apparently. But we'll find out. So yeah, it's got dual exhaust already. Dual tip exhaust, I mean. So we're thinking about getting another 2 exhaust there. It has parking sensors at the front and back. They're not LED, they're just normal lights, normal tail lights. So if there's like a LED version, you might think about changing that out. This side it looks like it might die anyway because it's got condensation there. Can you see a little bit? Has there a sparking spider in there? Maybe. Pop the boot, bro. Look at this shit. Look at this shit.
You know what the best thing is?
Go on.
Don't even need to touch it, brother.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Whoa, what's this?
What's this? What is that? No.
It says
2 or a 5 or 7.
20.
21, brother.
It's fine anyway.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
There you go. 21.
21 plate. Beautiful, beautiful.
21 because it's our boy's birthday.
Happy birthday, Zenos.
Birthday Zeno Records, boy.
Thank you, Zeno.
Thank you, Zeno, for sponsoring this video.
In the next video, you will see him in the boot. Stay tuned. Okay, so we got some nice alloys. Blacked out. I don't know what they are though. If anyone knows what they are, let me know. These are 18-inch alloys at the front and back. Oh yeah, wait, you did your front tire, didn't you?
Sorry?
You did your front tire, innit?
Yeah.
It looks a bit flat still. Weird that. So yeah, bodywork's okay on the sides and everything. It's just the bonnet. The bodywork's a bit fucked at the bonnet. Yep. As you can see, someone has a fucking scratchy match.
When you have toxic X's.
Yeah, bro.
Toxic X.
That's not right, brother. That's not right. Okay, so this is the front grille. So we're thinking about maybe changing the grille out. Honeycomb grille. It's got fog lights. So all these are halogen. So we're going to change them out to LED. Stay tuned for that. What about the badge? What do you do with the badge? Black out.
Black it out with the honeycomb.
Honeycombs. So there is some bad sides to this car. It's mainly all interior wise. So let's go hop in the interior and have a look. So the boot is quite big, by the way. Decent size. Alright, so this is the 4-door, 5-door, 2-door version. You can also get 4-door version. Oh no, you can't get 4-door, can you? A5. Huh? You can't get 4-door, can you?
Yeah, you can.
This year. Oh, maybe you can. Okay, so not the most amount of room in here, but wow. Okay, I have to do it like this, guys. Yeah. Bloody bastard. Oh no, we have a friend. Okay, so coupe box, decent size. Okay, so on this side we have like a heating issue. Not sure what it is. If anyone knows, let us know. So what happens is it's stuck on heat constant. So yeah, in the summer it's not really good. Alright, so what's the main issue with this car, MrWaheedulHaque?
No Bluetooth.
No Bluetooth, guys, and it's so hard to bloody do it.
No AMI.
No AMI, no PPI, no STDs, no STIs. Nothing, brother.
Huh?
Nothing. All there is a CD, bro. But you can't do 6 CDs in it. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 CDs you can hold. But who the hell has CDs these days? So what we've been doing is listening to the radio, and we tried one of these things, you know, the FM transmitter to the radio. Well, this one's just shit anyway, so that's probably why it's a problem. And yeah, so we're thinking about changing this out to Bluetooth, was it?
No, so this will still say the same. We're just gonna add a.
Oh, we're adding adapter, Bluetooth adapter module. The other option is changing the screen out and having the newer one where it pops out like this. But that also requires changing this as well. Bloody hell, I'm dying. Okay, so this is a manual 6-speed, I believe.
Yep.
6-speed, yep. Okay. Ah, you bastard. I'm going to talk about flies. Okay, so we got navigation, info, car setup, telephone name, media. You've got electronic handbrake, so the normal handbrakes is disappeared on this car. There's your phone holder. Or we'll use it for phone holder anyway. You can put coins in there, that's your coin holder. This does have AC, but we have a bit of a leak, but it still works, so I don't know how long that's gonna last. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that sponsorship. Oof. Fantastic. All right, let's see. You got your mobile phone thing in there, the old style ones, and you got 12-volt socket in there. Interior wise, it's alright at the front. Back wise, I wouldn't say it's the best amount of space, but you do expect it like this, you know. But you do have individual control there for heat and cold at the back with the fan speed and stuff. But yeah, there's not much else in the back. Is there a charging port at the back? There was one there. Yeah, there is. Yeah.
12 volt.
Yeah. So you got one charging port at the back. So you got a decent amount of charging ports. Let's see. There's a steering wheel, that's a multi-function one. You got the controls on there, so you can do all the controls on there. And yeah, that's your startup and everything. Look at that, beautiful. Yeah. You wanna give it a startup, brother?
Oh, needle sweep.
Do you put needles on this one, yeah?
No.
One.
Yeah.
Oh, we did.
So yeah, guys, we've been listening to the radio all this time. What a sad life. Radio 1, thank you for saving us in a time of need, but also you're pretty bad as well. Thank you.
Please put my Dave and Central C on.
Yeah, so dashboard is very good actually, not a single error. So when we bought the car, there was an error, but that was fixed.
Light,
yeah, engine light, but that was because of the timing chain. But we got the timing chain replaced now, so this car's solid. Everything else with the timing chain we've done as well. So it's a solid car now. Should be fine. And yeah, it's pretty good. What's that nice? Is it fun? What the bloody hell? So yeah, very nice car. We're gonna do quite a lot of work to it. So these lights, these ugly lights here, can you see these ugly lights? Ugly? Yeah. Ugly light is definitely getting changed. So stay tuned for that. Thank you whoever sponsored that video. You'll see that soon. Oh, we got a glasses holder. This is a bit broken, but it works. I think that'll be hard to replace, to be honest. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, all the lights work and everything else in the car works. We just need a few upgrades, so stay tuned. We're going to do the Bluetooth module, maybe a screen upgrade. We'll see how everything goes. We'll see what we decide to do. But yeah, we're definitely doing a Bluetooth module. What else do we need? We'll just fix all the issues, maybe some light upgrades, strip lights.
No,
not this one.
Feeling out on this one.
Not this one, no problem.
I want to still keep this a bit classy.
Okay, we're gonna do this one. I think we're gonna do more body parts.
Yeah.
Maybe side skirts,
A more performance
splitters,
side.
exhaust. Definitely, you can have a quad pipes.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for that. Hopefully, as long as the battery doesn't get in the way, we should be okay. We should be able to do it.
Hopefully.
Because on my BMW, the battery box is underneath on that side, so we couldn't put quad tailpipes. So hopefully that's not an issue on this one. And yeah, the one thing I do like about this car is this bloody key thing. You pop the key in there to start the car, guys. And then it's got a decent amount of cup holders. There's two there. One's on this side and one's on this side as well. So you have a decent amount of cup holders as well. It's not bad at all, guys. So tell us what you guys think. And yeah, we'll do some driving videos, so stay tuned for that soon. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, MrWaheedulHaque. And goodbye.